Download DDPAI app. Please scan the QR code or search for DDPAI in Google Play Store or App Store to download the DDPAI app. App connection. Power on the dash cam. Turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone. Launch the DDPAI app and tap Add a device. Select the current device name in the detected Bluetooth device list. Press the function button on the dash cam to authorize. For iPhone, if you want to view the device album, device settings, or enter the preview interface, please follow the on-screen instructions to perform the Wi-Fi connection. Tap Go to Connection, WLAN. Select the current device. Paste the password directly into the edit box and tap Join. App function introduction. Device interface. Enter the device interface, and you can choose to enter the preview interface, view the device album, set up the device, etc. Tap to view the downloaded files in the local album, including videos, photos, and emergency files. Tap to select a device for pairing. Tap on the area outlined by the dotted line to enter the preview interface. This area displays connection status and status information of the device after connection. This area displays firmware version update prompts, beginner's guide, event push, and other prompt information. Tap to view photos or videos recorded by the device. Tap to set up the dash cam. You can report questions or view the user guide in this area. Tap to delete the device. The connection with the device will be disconnected and the device information will be deleted. Preview interface. Tap on the area outlined by the dotted line, and you can enter the preview interface directly. On this interface, you can preview the live footage of the front camera or rear camera. Take pictures. Playback video. Download video files. Turn on/off the SR switch. View data and tracks. View device albums. And set up the device. Me interface. On this interface, you can view all your driving track records. Check the firmware version. Set up the app. And provide feedback on the problems you encounter.
Hello, DDPAI.